Hello everyone, I'm super excited to record this video because today we're talking about how to get free gems and coins in Farmville free. As you can see, Farmville free plus plus is already installed in my mobile devices. It's like modded version who allowed you to get free gems and coins for our game. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how this application works and how to install this application for your mobile devices. Okay. Enter amount of gems and coins as we want, press generate. Now we must wait to finish this process. After complete, everything will be generated for our account, so wait. Okay, it's already open our account. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look of this, everything is work. Now I get free gems and coins in Farmville free, absolutely for free. So how to get this application Farmville free plus plus for your mobile devices? Basically, it's very easy method to get this application. Open your favorite browser and follow me. Scroll down and type this, the Farmville free plus plus. Okay, press install. Wait to finish this process. After complete, application will be installed for your Android or iOS devices. Okay, this is last step, and now application is already installed in my mobile devices. It's super easy. Enjoy and thank you for watching.